Square One Insurance. Home insurance the way it should be.
Home insurance policies in Canada do not provide coverage for rising water or floods causing damage to your home. Instead, provincial governments have plans in place to help with uninsurable disasters like floods. However, if the loss was caused because external drains backed up, and if you have very broad water damage, then you may have coverage. As for damage to your porch, this would typically be covered under your home insurance policy if you have a comprehensive policy. You'll just need to contact your home insurance company. They will put you in touch with your adjuster, who will then help you in filing your claim.
It's home insurance the way it should be. Call 1-855-331-6933 or go online for a quote today.